Imagine looking up to see a world through the eyes of a child. A world filled with creativity and wonder, of unstoppable questions and curiosity. Imagine the power of memories, the electricity of a touch, the beauty of a smile, the magic of a favorite place. Imagine possibilities of capturing both quiet and spontaneous moments, of cherishing once-in-a-lifetime experiences, of sharing a special connection with everyone around you. It's this simplicity of life that gives our minds freedom to dream, create, and run wild. Make this imagination your passion. Discover it, reinvent it, cultivate it. The world is everything you can imagine.